their loss is like a loss to us.
Patrick Dollinger has lived across the street from the home where Alex and Alexis Anderson lived on West Washington Street for 6 years.
They moved in shortly before Alex was born. We got to watch her bring him home, and all the kids were brought home to this house.
On Tuesday, Dollinger could only watch as the memorial for Alex and Alexis grew.
We got to watch them grow up from babies to, little Alex riding his bike.
Dollinger says he saw the father on Tuesday, but the dad who lost so much didn't have much to say.
The family's in shock, and I can understand that as things like this happen, it's a lot to put down on your shoulders.
And with the damage to their family and home, Dollinger says they could use a lot of help from the Elkhart community.
Anything, just a handshake, or if you see them around, give them a hug and say, hey, we're here for you.
Because that's what this neighbor says Elkhart is named for.
Elkhart is the city with a heart. And we don't see it much anymore, but in times like this, Elkhart does come forward.